Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we're doing our stacked onion burgers, everybody. Make sure you guys screenshot this. This is the ingredients that we incorporated into this pound of ground beef. Now, you know, grandmother, it's all about flavor. And the flavor is what makes the burger good. Now, you can't just add salt and pepper. Exactly, because that ain't nothing. That is just some old bougie restaurant that you be mad that you spent $14 on a burger and they just got salt and pepper. Okay, if I spend $14 on a burger, believe me, it better have some flavor all throughout. Okay, now we added in all the ingredients that you see here. We mix it in nice and thoroughly and flip it all throughout. We're gonna make some nice hearty, nice patties, everybody. Now it depends on the hamburger meat that you buy. Some has 15% less fat, 10% fat, or whatever, 25%. It has so much grease on it. Okay, the leaner the better. Okay, you have the biggest, juiciest burgers ever. Okay, now how we're going to cook this is we like our nighttime burgers sometimes. We get a craving for it. We want to go out to the restaurant to go get it, like, you know, the hamburger chain and their clothes. It's okay. Make your own. Make your own. Just get some good ground beef and you're going to be happy with it. Now, see, we're going to take this. We did this in slow motion so you guys can see. We took a handful of the ground beef mixture here and made it into a nice patty, everybody. You're going to make it into a ball first, and then you're going to kind of go ahead and squish it down into a nice round patty. Look at that there. That's how you get a nice juicy burger, everybody. What about now when you go to like a popular hamburger chain, Grandma, and you know you're spending about what, $9 on a burger? That is plain nuts ridiculous, everybody. It makes me want to go up there and just slap somebody. I'm telling you, if you're going to pay $10 for a burger, you might as well make it yourself. I'm not playing that. That is crazy. You go up there in the beginning of the month, you go ahead and get you a big old round, about 10 pounds of ground beef in a big roll, and you cut them up into quarters, and then you have big old juicy burgers just like this, as seen here. Now, you only spend $20, which is like about what? $18.98 or something like that. Yeah, about $20. Yeah, and even at Walmart they even have some. But I'm just saying that is plain nut ridiculous, spending $10 for one burger. I just think that is just crazy. That is crazy, and it don't have no flavor on it. Exactly, that's the whole part I'm just trying to say. You spending all that money on the burger, but you only don't, and sometimes you don't even have that. Exactly, it's no salt and pepper on it. It's no flavor. It's just a little patty, a thin little patty. And sometimes you get like a double, and sometimes it don't even be that whole thing of the, like this kind of meat that we're doing here. Okay, so we're going to have these nice hearty, we're going to show you, we're doing this in slow motion because we want you guys to learn how to make your own big burgers. Okay, everybody, it's very simple. It's not hard. It's not complicated. Once you mix everything in together, it's just sending all the vibrations throughout that meat, and you're just like massaging it at the same time and just getting into that round ball. Now, ladies, this is how you keep a man. This is how you do it. You roll that meat up there like that, and you roll it up into that ball and make it all nicely thick the way you want it, and then you have the size that you want, and you go ahead and cook it like as needed. Now, that's how you keep a man. I'm telling you, this technique right here is how you massage the ball of this meatball right here. Okay, that's how you do. Okay, now we are going to light up the skillet, get it nice and hot and ready. We usually like to use our griddle skillet when we are cooking things, everybody. We like to have that, but this time we had the non-stick skillet, and you can use a non-stick skillet, and it's okay, everybody. It's all good. It don't matter because you're just frying the hamburger meat. You're not frying chicken. You're not frying potatoes. You know, we are frying hamburgers. It don't matter. So we take our time right here. We have it on a medium high first to get it nice and hot. Then you go ahead and you're going to flip it over after about 5 minutes of a nice sizzle, everybody. Okay? And then look at that. It's going to turn out perfect. It's not even burnt. It's just nicely coated, and it's sauteing all the flavors and the aromas all throughout your meat, everybody. That's what's going to make your juicy burger. Okay? Now, We do like to have our meat well done. Some people like to have it rare. Some people like to have it raw. Some people like to have it medium well. But we do it well done in Granny's house right here. I'm not responsible for anybody getting any kind of poisonings and any kind of salmonella or whatever bacteria or whatever it is. Y'all cook y'all meat to everybody because y'all don't know where this meat is really coming from. Eating it raw, that's just might as well going to kill the calf and just go ahead and get it and just put it in the backyard and just eat it. But anyway, so we grilled our onions in the hamburger fat, everybody. Yes, how we did it. How we do it, we have a nice piece of white bread. We like our white bread with our hamburgers. When we making our late hamburgers, we got to have white bread. I don't care what anybody say. Now, you can do it like stacked up like an onion burger. That people are doing that now if you're a little bit more healthy. But here at the House of Grannies, wouldn't have it no other way. That's right. That's how we do. We also have some nice fresh cut homemade French fries that go along with it. There's nothing like some fresh homemade fries, everybody. But if you guys like what you see, follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more.